a kind of reciprocity between being dispositional and the situation or the environment as a whole. So we can think of attunement as a kind of resonance. You know, the same way the symphony has to do all of its attunement. It has to kind of get an attunement before the song, and then the emotional tonalities and the things can be evoked within it. I think attunement is a broad notion. It gives a kind of background horizon for, well, within which emotional lives and perhaps all these things about cultural appraisals unfold and get acted out. And I wanted to bring this notion forward in part because, well, I wanted to just for one moment evoke Heidegger's comment in Sein und Zeit, or Being in Time, that every understanding has its attunement, every attunement has its understanding. So from that phenomenological standpoint, it's never possible to divorce thought from attunement, which also will link you to affective life and sensitive life. And so what would that mean? Well, it might mean that it's appropriate in the realm of hard sciences or empirical sciences that an attunement of a kind of distanced observation actually has to take place in order for things to reveal themselves or be studied in a certain way. But that can't be the model for every order of understanding. To the contrary, in other areas of human inquiry, to the contrary, a very different disposition, a very different attunement might be required to even be able to allow things to be perceived, felt, sensed, and understood in certain ways.